Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, I am going to explain about the logical operators. There are three types: and, or, not. If you want to execute a block where two or more conditions are true, then use and. If you want to execute a block where any of the condition is true, then use or. And can be used in two ways: by using a logical and, that is and keyword, or by using a C style logical and, which is nothing but two ampersand symbols, or also can be used in two ways: by using a keyword or two pipe symbols. Not reverses the logical state of the operator. Now let us see some examples.
In this program, I am going to illustrate about logical and C-style operators. For this, I have an array called skills where each scalar is a technology name. To write a logical AND operator, I am going to take two conditions to check whether the first scalar of this array is Perl or not, and whether the size of this array is 4 or not. And one more condition, equal to 4. This forms a logical AND condition. Print. I'm just trying to print a message whether this condition has succeeded or not. Logical AND operator. Now, to use a C style operator, just replace AND with two ampersand symbols. C style. C style AND operator. When both the conditions are true, then the expression in the if statement are executed. If any of the other condition is false, then expression in the if condition are not executed. Two of the conditions have to be true. Next is or. Just replace and with or, and in C style two pipe symbols. I am going to make one of them false. In or condition, either any of the condition has to be true. Or operator conditions have succeeded. Next is if you want to have a reverse of this. For example, not, enclose this complete condition in brackets, and a reverse of this, that means for a false condition. Not logical and operator. Just for the reverse of this condition, make sure you put a not.